Hello friends, you're welcome back to the Chima Educator video channel. I want to share with you this very important information. This is our upcoming digital skill courses coming up for educators. Yes, actually our tag is for educators, but it's open for everyone. And there are four key areas we are going to concentrate. In this video, I'm going to just briefly talk about this area so you understand and have an idea of what these courses are all about. The first one is what we call Google Tools Masterclass for online teaching. Yes, the Google Tools Masterclass, it can be for business people, it can be any, but because we are dealing with educators now, so we are looking at it from the angle of using it for online teaching. There are so many of what I know about Google Classroom. Yes, you know about Google Classroom. You can create an online course platform on Google Classroom, but that's not where it stops. As a Google tool, expert, we don't just teach Google Classroom. We'll talk about Google tools. We are going to see how you can use various Google tools like the Google Classroom, the Google Forms, the Google Doc, the Google Mail, even that's the Gmail you have, and even Google Meet. All of these things combined to host online classes. And this is what teachers of 21st century need. You don't just need to spend all your days in the classroom there. You can be teaching in the classroom, but create times to convert those your contents to digital content so that you can also have a wider audience, a wider classroom, a global classroom where people from all over the world can attend classes that you handle. So you need to master all these Google tools, and that's exactly what we do here. So we encourage you to be part of this. You can start teaching online without registering with any third-party, platform. Just create your own online teaching platform and start teaching. Once you create it, do the right thing. The next thing is now for you to recruit, students, and it's always going to be very easy. If you know what you're doing in any subject, people are going to be interested in being part of your class. So that's exactly what we're going to teach. It's all about everything about Google Teams, not just Google Classroom, the Google Form, everything. Now, the next thing, part of this course bundle is what we call AI for Educators. AI for Educators, you can see it. AI for Educators crash course. Here we're going to teach educators how to make use of AI to do quite a lot of things that will wow you. You say, wow. So things can be so easier for me as a teacher, as an educator, as a school owner with AI. And that's what this course is all about. Comprehensive. I've taken time over a few months ago, go visit schools where I hold this course. There was no school entered and did this, course and have a training for the teachers and the school owner that they will not say what is happening. This is great. This is so great. You're going to like it. You're going to love it. That's how wonderful this particular thing is all about. So I encourage you to be part of this. Even if you don't learn anything, please, if you're a teacher, make sure you subscribe for this AI for Educators crash course. Then the next one here in the list we are going to look at is this YouTube monetization A to Z. And when we say A to Z, we mean from the scripts to making money with YouTube videos. So everything about launching your YouTube video, guiding you as an educator, the niche you're going to go into. It's not just, you can't be an educator. Yes, as an educator, you think that, okay, I know how to bake, I know how to do these things, you can do it. But because of the community you belong to and what people know you about, there are some niches that fully represents you. And you are an expert in that field. So when you go through all these things become easier. And creating content becomes easier for you. And that's what we're going to guide you in this course. So we encourage you to be part of this. Then the next one is ebook creation and monetization. This course is another superb course. Going to see, you will now discover that it's very much easy for you to tell yourself, every month, I can have 20 quality ebooks. Yes, somebody will say, how do you sell it? One of the things, create ebooks first. Remember, these are digital contents. You may create an ebook today, you can't sell it today. You do all your promotion this week, you can't sell it next month. 1 month, 1 year. But that ebook, don't be surprised. It may be in a year to come, some years to come, those ebooks will sell. As long as it's still in the market. Because someday someone will see the need to buy those ebooks. And that's why I encourage you. Don't joke with others. Don't play with them. It's very important that you are part of this. You are going to see how to create in every area, even in all those areas you are not an expert. We'll show you how simple it is to create ebooks. So that's what these courses are all about. And you can see from what we said here, we said that these courses, all these 4 courses areas, these course areas, number 1, they are self-paced. Once you join us, you subscribe for them, it doesn't matter how snail a speed you have, it's your own pace. You pay for this and learn at your own level. Nobody's pushing you. Nobody's going to tell you you must be online by 9 a.m. You must be online by 10 p.m. No, at your own pace, at your own convenience. You go through these courses and master it and start doing something with it. Now, it's not only that, we'll so much make it in a way where there's nobody. If anybody comes here and say, please do it free for me, I won't listen to you. I will show that you are not even interested. These courses, each of these courses is going to take us time and whatever. Quality videos, quality training guides for you. But we'll say, all you need to do what? Choose any of these 2 courses. Somebody say, I need 4 of them. Cool down. If you need 4 of them, first of all, choose 2 and pay 2K. Then, when we are done, because we don't want you gathering courses without doing it. When we are done with that, tell us you are still interested in the other 2. Then pay and then take other 2. So choose only 2 or 1 you want to start with. And as it stands, even if you want to say, okay, I don't want 2, I want 1, we won't charge you anything less than 2K. So whether you choose 2 or 1, it's 2K you're paying for. So, but we're going to start with only 2 for now. So once you're done, you can choose the other 2 and let's go on. So pay only 2K and choose any of these courses. You're going to see the link wherever you're watching this video, whether on Facebook or YouTube or anywhere on any of our social media platforms. You're going to see the link to contact us on WhatsApp, and we'll now give you the details of how to make payments and how to join the class and start accessing your lessons. This is exactly, and that's also how you're going to see the entire course outlines and what it's going to look like. So this is exactly an opportunity for us. This is 2025. As a teacher, as an educator, you can't afford to miss this. So I encourage you, be part of this, and let's run together. I'm going to stop at this point. If you are watching this video from my YouTube channel and that's for your first time of visiting this channel, please, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. You're going to see a lot of wonderful things we are doing here. Help us to grow. Share this video and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.